In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubstaff for beginners. We'll walk through the core areas you'll use every day so you can get set up quickly and work confidently. After you sign in, head to the dashboard, your command center. Here you'll see time tracked, activity levels, and which projects are getting the most attention. Use the date and team filters at the top to narrow the view to a specific period or group. This is ideal for quick daily check-ins or weekly reviews so you always know where work is moving. Open the Me view for your personal snapshot. You'll see weekly activity, total hours, earnings if pay rates are set, and the projects you've contributed to. These numbers refresh as you track time, giving you a reliable read on your output. Customize what you see by selecting Manage Widgets. Add, remove, or reorder cards so the insights you care about stay front and center. A tidy layout cuts noise and makes trends easier to spot. Next, go to Timesheets to review details. In View and Edit, check entries, add notes, and make corrections if you have permission. The Approvals tab lets managers review submitted time, approve it, or send it back with comments. Use the date picker to switch days or weeks, and include concise notes so context isn't lost later. Keep corrections short and factual to make audits easier. Open activity to analyze how work happened during track time. You'll see activity data and, if enabled by your organization, the apps and URLs used during sessions. Filters help you drill into specific dates, projects, or teammates to spot trends, eliminate distractions, and improve focus. Dive into insights for deeper analysis. Highlight surfaces key changes. Performance compares people or teams over time. Timeline shows distribution of work across the day, and unusual activity flags outliers. Turn on smart notifications to get alerted to important shifts automatically. Output connects time to deliverables when supported. Set your date range and time zone at the top for accurate reporting. If your team is in the field, open locations to review geofenced or GPS-based tracking. Then check calendar to view schedules, shifts, and time off in one place. Drag to create new entries if enabled, and use colors to stay organized. Generate summaries and reports by date, project, or person. Save filters you use often, export to share, or schedule recurring emails so stakeholders get updates without manual work. In People, manage members, roles, and project access so the right teammates can track time to the right work. Use roles to control who can approve time or view financials. In Financials, set pay rates, billing rates, and budgets, and connect payment methods if your plan supports payouts. Review currencies and pay periods before enabling automations. Budgets help you track burn and forecast costs. Finally, select Silent App to install or manage the background tracker where a low-profile experience is needed. Follow the prompts to deploy it according to your organization's settings, and coordinate with your admin before rolling it out. That's your practical tour of Hubstaff. With these areas in place, you'll track time accurately, view progress clearly, and report with confidence.